Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this quick video, I will just show you, can you pause your ClickFunnels account right now? Now, as you can see, I already found a question, and the answer to this particular question is, I would like to put the account on hold. I would like to pause my account payments. Can we do that? As you can see, the answer is clear. If you would like to pause your account for $9.99 monthly, please log into your account and navigate to your account settings. This is top right of the page. You just need to go to account settings, then you need to go to account billing, then you can go to cancel account and then cancel my subscription right here, right? And then you can select the option pause your plan or scroll down and select the option pause my account. As you can see here, you will have pause account or cancel my account, right? As you can see, if you cancel your account, you'll lose your subdomain, all your customers, all your leads, all your pages, and all your funnels. If you pause, your pages will not display live. You won't be able to use the ClickFunnels app, but will keep your subdomain reserved and all your pages and funnels working and waiting so that you can resume your account anytime. As you can see, your account will be prorated and credit will be applied to your ClickFunnels account for the time that it was not used, right? So pausing your account keeps all funnels, pages, contacts, and integrations intact. You will be able to log in into your account to upgrade to an active subscription plan, but you will be unable to access any of information or funnels, and they will not appear live until your upgrade back up. You will also be unable to access to our popular funnel flick service while your subscription is paused as well. So this is pretty much your answer, whether or not you can pause your ClickFunnels account. The answer is yes, you can, but it has some cons that you need to be aware of, as I mentioned in this video. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.